limited edition, superb row villas available in Whitefield extension from the house of Sobha. Sobha Galera is the new launch luxury residential villa project which is launched in Whitefield extension near Budigere Cross, Old Madras Road. The infrastructure development around the locality and micro market makes it the future of extension for Whitefield. The residential enclave Sobha Luxury Villas in Whitefield features the very best of Sobha's uber luxury living segment. Beautiful landscapes, plenty of open spaces, green cover, and an exclusive community of 40 row villas consisting of duplex and triplex 4 BHKs are available at Sobha Galera. These luxury villas located in the crux of Whitefield extension near Budigere Cross, Old Madras Road, just a short drive from Pudi, Kadugodi, Kyarpuram and the Outer Ring Road, near existing and upcoming communities and facilities. Come explore Sobha Galera, situated in the very best location of East Bangalore, strategically located bang on Old Madras Road, very close to the Hoskote toll. Inspired by the beautiful town of Galera and timeless Spanish architecture, Sobha Galera offers a distinct and opulent lifestyle. Set amidst an idyllic yet well-connected locality, these tranquil row houses are crafted for the exclusive few. Exclusive amenities at Sobha Galera, to name a few, are pergolas, leisure trail, fountain belenza, reflexology path, kids play area, and much more. This project from Sobha is in a total land extent of 4.08 acres and offers exclusive 40 row villas of 4 BHK in duplex and triplex format. The duplex row villa starts from 5 CR and the triplex starts from 7 CR onwards. We have a fantastic show house available today. Plan your visit and come explore.